Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, EDII. Okay, this institution is located in Ahmedabad. Okay, this institution is located in Ahmedabad. You can just see the structure of all these things. I do have a video of this. We'll see at the end. Okay, now Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, EDII, an autonomous and not for profit, okay, non-profit institute set up in 1983, is promoted by apex financial institutions like IDBI IDBI Bank Limited, IFCI Limited, ICICI Bank Limited, and State Bank of India, SBI, with support from the government of Gujarat. The government of Gujarat pledged 23 acres of land on which the majestic and sprawling EDII campus is located. You can see this. This is the campus. I've just taken a collaged pic. You'll see in the video how it is exactly. So, to pursue its mission, EDII has helped set up 12 state-level exclusive entrepreneurship development centers and institute. Not only in Ahmedabad, that center has helped another 12 state-level centers. One of the satisfying achievements, however, was taking entrepreneurship to a large number of schools, colleges, science and technology institutions and management schools in several states by including entrepreneurship inputs in their curricula. The view of EDII's expertise in entrepreneurship, the UGC also has assigned EDII the task of developing curriculum on entrepreneurship, and the Gujarat Textbook Board assigned to it in the task of developing textbooks on entrepreneurship for 11th and 12th standards. That means what? This center is always concentrating on developing entrepreneurs. Okay, developing entrepreneurs, all type of training. It has a complete course on entrepreneurship. Now, to know about this, what has happened is UGC has subscribed this as a syllabus for part of many of its university syllabus. You are also studying EDII as a part of syllabus because it is subscribed. Okay, otherwise you wouldn't have known what is EDII. In order to broaden the frontiers of entrepreneurship research, EDII has established a Center for Research in Entrepreneurship Education and Development, CREED we call, to investigate into a range of issues surrounding small and medium enterprise sector and establish a network of researchers and trainers by conducting a biennial seminar on entrepreneurship education and research. In the international arena, efforts to develop entrepreneurship by way of sharing resources and organizing training programs have helped EDII earn accolades and support from World Bank, Commonwealth Secretariat, UNIDO, ILO, FNST, British Council, Ford Foundation, European Union, Asian Secretariat, and several other renowned agencies. That means what? This particular institution has developed, has reached it to such a height that it is developing many entrepreneurs per year. Not only developing, it is completely supporting them. So seeing its particular growth, even in international arena, this entrepreneurship has been developing in a very nice way by sharing resources and training programs. Okay, that have helped EDI earn lots of accolades, that means appreciation and support from all of these institutions. Okay. The Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India assigned to EDII the task of setting up entrepreneurship development centers in Cambodia, Laos, PDR, Myanmar, Vietnam, and Uzbekistan. 5 such centers in African region will be established very soon. Not only in India, even outside country, these centers have been developed. EDI's mission is to become a catalyst in facilitating emergence of competent first generation entrepreneurs and transition of existing SMEs into growth-oriented enterprises through entrepreneurship education, training, research, and institution building. Okay. EDI has been spreading entrepreneurship movement throughout the nation with the belief that entrepreneurs need not necessarily be born, but can be developed through well-convinced and well-directed activities. So it is not true that only if there is a family background and if you're in that particular area, then only you can become an entrepreneur. It is nothing like that. Anybody can become entrepreneur once they are well trained and well convinced and well directed by a particular trainers. In consonance with this belief, EDI aims at creating a multiplier effort on opportunities for self-employment. It is helpful in creating self-employment for the youths who are not employed, augmenting the supply of competent entrepreneurs through training. With efficient training, it is pushing up very good successful entrepreneurs, augmenting the supply of entrepreneur trainer motivators. They are also training the other startup entrepreneurs and motivating them to sustain and get success in their enterprises. Participating in institution building efforts, inculcating the spirit of entrepreneurship in you. This is very important. Always you should not have in the mind that if after graduation go for job. You have to have this entrepreneurship characters. You have to be encouraged to become entrepreneurs. You should be motivated by yourself also by seeing so many things. You're studying this as a subject. You should be more motivated to become an entrepreneur. Promoting micro enterprises at rural levels. Okay, this one of the main function is also to start up some micro or small size or cottage industries at rural level. Development of rural is the development of country. Developing and disseminating new knowledge and insights in entrepreneur theory practice through research. Continuous research is going on how to develop the entrepreneurs. What are the new way of developing? That research and training continuously takes place. Facilitating corporate excellence through creating intrapreneurs. So intrapreneur is a person who is already working in a big industrial or manufacturing or corporate sector. While studying over there, he makes research and he starts his own product over there. Such persons are called as intrapreneurs. ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಅದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ದೆಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅವ್ರ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸದೇನೋ ತಯಾರಿಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೊಸ ಐಡಿಯಾ, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದೋಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಪ್ರೂನರ್ಸ್. ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೂನರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Improving managerial capabilities of small scale industries. Lots of disturbance is going on today. Okay, you can hear me now? Yes, promoting micro enterprises at rural level, developing and disseminating new knowledge and insights in entrepreneur theory and practice. This I told you. Facilitating corporate excellence about entrepreneurs, improving managerial capabilities of small scale industries. Okay, in small scale industries, to improve the managerial skills, how to manage. Once it is managed well, this can reach to a very great level. So that is improving the managerial capabilities. Sensitizing the support system to facilitate potential and existing entrepreneurs establish and manage their enterprise. That is, sensitizing means you're training them, continuously training them with all the necessities for an entrepreneur. It may be managerial skills, it may be running of the businesses, it may be accounts, it may be some other motivational training. So sensitizing in every field so that they can become successful. Collaborating with similar organizations in India and other developing countries to accomplish the above objectives. These are the above objectives. So you are collaborating with other institutions also, similar organizations of India or other developing countries, so that you are motivated and you are encouraged to accomplish these objectives. Okay. So here, these are the success stories of alumni of EDI. Before that, I would like to show you uh, about the institution campus.